I finally got my two-stroke motor going. Took me almost a week. Had to put a filter on it. It's an old motor, I don't know what year it is. Made by Montgomery Ward. I know it's old. Smoke a little bit, but I think that's the gas mixture. Coming along nicely though. Let that run for a little while. My other little project we're working on, short bed pickup truck, pull the boat. Oh, let me let y'all see the insides of it. Working on the insides. We got to put the rest of the interior in. This is my little John boat. Put the lights on here, LEDs. Got some in the back there too. Still trying to figure out what I want to do with the insides. Put new back lights on it. They were like $30, $40. Working on a budget. Y'all stay tuned. Got a whole lot more work to do.